Are you tempted by the RenewaLift Skin Tightening Device that promises to reverse aging signs, lift saggy skin, eliminate your double chin, reduce wrinkles, and sculpt your jawline without ever stepping into a clinic? If you're thinking of buying it, hold on and watch this video till the end, because what we uncovered might save you from a costly mistake. The RenewaLift device claims to combine microcurrents, LED light therapy, and sonic vibrations to give you visible skin improvement in just 3 weeks. It sounds like a dream come true for anyone looking for non-invasive anti-aging treatments at home. But when we looked into it, we found several things that raised eyebrows. First off, the marketing is extremely aggressive, filled with emotional selling tactics that prey on insecurities about aging, something many legit brands don't need to rely on. They showcase flawless before and after photos and user testimonials that are vague and overly positive, yet there's no detailed explanation of the science behind the results. More importantly, there is no mention of the device being FDA approved or CE certified, which are basic standards for medical or beauty tech products claiming skin benefits. That alone should make any buyer pause. Additionally, we found no clinical studies, dermatologist endorsements, or independent lab results to support the bold claims they make. When we searched for reviews outside their official website, there was barely any user feedback on trustworthy platforms like Amazon, Reddit, or Trustpilot, which is unusual for a product that claims to be so popular and effective. Even the return policy is unclear and difficult to find, leaving customers with doubts about whether they'll get their money back if it doesn't work. Now, we're not saying the device is completely useless, and maybe some users have genuinely seen results. But the lack of transparency, scientific validation, and honest user feedback makes us question if this product lives up to the hype. If you still want to give it a try, the product is tagged in this video for easy access, but we strongly recommend doing your own research and thinking twice before investing in what might be more marketing magic than skincare miracle.